Hello friends, welcome to Blueprint Studio. In this video, we will discuss the design of our client house, which is located and presently under construction at Bhopal. Bhopal is the city of lakes, beautifully blends historic charm with modernity, boasting a rich tapestry of culture and architectural marvels. The client requested for a modern design for their 1,000 square feet plot, focusing on a minimalist exterior. Enhancing the minimalist exterior, this design embodies bold, robust features. It incorporates an abundance of openings, allowing ample natural light. Moreover, it ensures a secure environment without compromising on openness to the outdoors. As you step into the house, you'll notice a spacious car parking area, measuring 17 feet by 9 feet. Additionally, the staircase has been installed outside, just as the client requested. As you enter through the main gate, you'll step into this connected living and dining space, where you can greet your friends and family. In front of the large sofa set, there's a decorative wall featuring a marble textured finish, and a flooded panels for the TV set. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. Next to the TV wall, there's a small aquarium and a bar table where you can keep your drinks in the cabinets. For the spacious and big family of 6 people, we've provided a dining next to a bar table where you can enjoy your meal and drink. For the guest and common use, there's a 7 feet by 5 feet wide space that serves as both a toilet and a bathroom, designed for shared use. Entering the central hub of the house, you'll find the kitchen, a modular space measuring 8 feet by 12 feet, accompanied by a compact utility area. Let's explore the first floor bedroom, measuring 12 feet by 13 feet, featuring contemporary interior design and an adjoining bathroom. As per the client's request, we've arranged only one bedroom on the ground floor, keeping the others on the upper levels. Now let's check the first floor layout. The first floor features a spacious, open sit-out area, perfect for enjoying time with your family and friends. Upon entering through the main gate, there's a cozy lounge area furnished with a sofa. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 of them have attached bathrooms, following a design similar to the first floor bedrooms. Let's take a look at the third bedroom, sized at 12 feet by 11 feet, and situated in the front area, featuring a large French window to allow ample natural light. The layout on the floor above follows the same design. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on house designs. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. Thank you.